Welcome to Hotel Oaks Early Bird, Osaka Morinomiya, where your journey to extraordinary comfort begins. Please scan the QR code on your screen or refer to the description below to secure your exclusive booking. Nestled in the vibrant heart of Osaka, this is more than just a place to stay. It is a curated destination designed to captivate the senses and offer a sanctuary of endless entertainment and refined leisure. From the moment you step into our elegant halls, you are invited to leave the bustle of the city behind and immerse yourself in a world where every whim is anticipated and every moment is an opportunity for discovery. For those who find balance through movement, our state-of-the-art fitness center provides a seamless extension of your wellness routine. Equipped with a wide array of cutting-edge machinery, whether you desire a high-intensity cardio session or focused strength training, you can maintain your vitality while traveling. When the time comes to transition from exertion to serenity, our exquisite spa awaits. Here, time seems to slow down. Allow our skilled therapists to guide you through a selection of rejuvenating treatments and bespoke therapies, each meticulously designed to melt away the stresses of modern life and restore harmony to your mind, body, and soul. You will emerge feeling profoundly refreshed, revitalized, and ready to embrace the wonders of Osaka. If your spirit seeks playfulness and social connection, our sophisticated game room offers a delightful escape. Engage in friendly competition over a game of pool or immerse yourself in the latest video gaming technology. It is a haven for recreation, offering a spirited atmosphere for guests of all ages to create lasting memories. To further enhance your exploration of the beautiful surrounding area, we offer premium bike rentals, allowing you to glide through the scenic streets of Morinomiya at your own pace, complemented by the seamless convenience of complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi to keep you connected to what matters most. At Hotel Oaks Early Bird, Osaka Morinomiya, we do not merely host you. We provide the stage for an unforgettable experience defined by luxury, leisure, and unparalleled hospitality. To begin your exquisite stay, please scan the QR code or visit the link in the description below.